Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel Urban Rides Hub. Today, we're diving deep into the world of commercial vehicles with a focus on the 2025 ISUZU Traga blind van. This versatile and reliable van is designed to meet the demands of businesses across various industries. Let's explore what makes the Traga blind van a top choice for transportation and logistics. The ISUZU Traga blind van is built to last. Its sturdy construction and robust frame ensure long-lasting performance, even in harsh conditions. The van's suspension system is designed to handle heavy loads, providing a smooth and comfortable ride. The Traga blind van offers a spacious and versatile interior that can be configured to suit various needs. The cargo area is designed to accommodate a wide range of goods, making it ideal for businesses of all sizes. The interior also features comfortable seating, ample storage space, and a user-friendly dashboard. The Traga blind van is equipped with a powerful diesel engine that delivers impressive performance and fuel efficiency. This engine provides ample power for hauling heavy loads, while also minimizing operating costs. ISUZU vehicles are known for their reliability and low maintenance costs. The Traga blind van is no exception, requiring minimal maintenance and repairs throughout its lifespan. This helps to reduce operating costs and maximize uptime. ISUZU is committed to reducing its environmental impact, and the Traga blind van is designed to be as environmentally friendly as possible. The efficient diesel engine and advanced emissions control systems help to minimize harmful emissions. The ISUZU Traga blind van is a reliable and versatile commercial vehicle that can meet the needs of a wide range of businesses. With its powerful engine, spacious interior, and advanced safety features, it's a smart choice for businesses seeking a durable and efficient transportation solution. What are your thoughts on the ISUZU Traga blind van? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe Urban Rides Hub for more car reviews and updates.